You're not going to believe this, but I've thought I'd never see it. But this is a Tyne crew exercising before a race. I mean, normally, obviously, they exercise after, but I can't tell you how impressed I am. So this is certainly one for the album. Good effort, guys.
Sorry.
This is a Tyne crew praying for God, praying that we're actually going to win. Presumably praying to the Tyne god. They can't actually be doing warm-up exercises. It's not something that we practice at the Tyne. But good lord. Go, guys. Well, ladies and gentlemen, you won't find a finer body of athletes than what we've got here coming down the road. Look at that. I've watched them warm up. I've videoed them warming up. They looked very good. I can see some great potential amongst these boys. Go Tyne!
And the Tyne United crew are...
Come on, Tyne. This is your moment. Yeah, I think they're just a little ahead at the moment. They've got some great power in that boat.
First with a slight
Come on, boys. Come on. Show your mettle. There's Waggers, I can see Waggers. Come on, guys. Oh, I can see. Come on. Come on, boys. Come on, Tyne. Come on, Tyne. Look at that power. Come on, guys. Not far to go. Keep it going. Oops, sorry, I'm recording. Here's Tyne now. In front. Going for what a lovely rhythm they've got. You can see that. They're powering ahead. This is what Tyne's good at. They kept it to the end. Waggers, Goddard, come on in. Phil, come on Smarky, come on. Fantastic race, Audi, come on. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Tyne, #1 in the Northeast. Here we've got Tyne in the final. They look ahead, nice smooth rhythm. Big powerful boat coming alongside them nearly, but not quite. Tyne are holding them off. All that years of experience. Just in the bow we're talking almost 130 years. I mean, that's some experienced crew we've got out there. This is why Tyne is one of the best clubs in the world. Look at them go. Lovely rhythm. I think they can hold them off. I think they can hold them off. This is going to be an amazing performance. It's going to be one of the happiest days of our lives here today. If the Tyne can actually do this. Here they go. It's going to be a close one. There's hearts beating. Oh, there's beautiful, but there's beautiful rhythm. There's beautiful rhythm. Look at that. Come on, Tyne! This is fantastic. This is Christmas, Easter, all rolled up into one. This is the most exciting day of their lives as they come across the line. Look at that go. Medal winners, Tyne Rowing Club. So, Tyne Masters, this is what a winning crew looks like. Look at that. Don't crash, John. Look at that, fantastic. Fantastic moment in their careers. Can't wait to talk to them after the game. Fantastic. There you are, boys. It's a Tyne winning crew. Bringing home the pot, #1s. Fantastic performance. Really enjoyed that.
No surrender.
Well done, John. Yes.